What's up, grind schoolers? So today, got some bad news. The Copart Tahoe will not start. I think it's the purge valve or purge solenoid or whatever. So when I try to go to start it, this is what happens. So it just turns on and it stops, and then turns on and stops kinda. So what I did was I picked up a purge solenoid, you know what I'm saying, from O'Reilly's. Hopefully this fixes my issue. I do have an engine code, which is what was thrown for the, let's turn this annoying thing off. The code that was thrown was a purge valve, purge solenoid, which is this little thing right here. So we're gonna go ahead, throw this on the engine, and hopefully that solves our problem. So I did throw some new wheels on it though, which, you know, this problem happened after I threw the new wheels on the vehicle. As you can see, we threw some 22s on here. I got these for free actually, so you know, not that big of a deal, not that big of an investment. So like I said, we're gonna put the purge solenoid, purge valve on there and see what happens.
I got a bad bitch riding through the city with me, so motherfucker, why you do it? It was 09 in the city. I lost my brother to the game, got robbed same night, almost died in the city. God got me, so I got right with him, still blessed to be alive in the city. Lost a lot of real niggas, tears shed, all the mamas that cried in the city. They say the good die young, but they lived through me. So my first piece to A-Dub, he cut that for two.
Here's where we're at with the Copart Tahoe. Like I told you guys before, the fuel pump went out. I was able to get the fuel tank out. Got a new fuel pump that's about to go in. So hopefully I can get it in without any issues. I broke the first one because the connector piece on the top fell out. But got the fuel tank out. Gotta go get the other fuel pump, throw it in there. Got it jacked up real high in the back so that I can get access up under there. Hopefully we can knock this out within like the next 45 to an hour and everything will be good, and hopefully she starts up. Like I said, it's the Copart Tahoe. More work being done on her. Gotta get her right, man. The Copart Tahoe didn't start after I replaced the purge valve. I thought that's what it was, but shit didn't end up starting. So we're back to square one, getting parts done, but something came in. Christmas came early. All performance stuff, man. Well, got the quad exhaust for this beauty right here. We'll make some videos regarding this vehicle here. Got the cane air filter, ball joints, brake pads, brakes for the front and the back, drilled and slotted. Got the MSD ignition, all that stuff. Got some shocks. Got the front CV axles and everything. And these are the wheels that came off of the truck. I'm about to get rid of those, sell those. Those are trash, ugly. But just want to let y'all know, Christmas came early.
My niggas yelling about that B life. I kept a couple